Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair last night using a recommendation, and I used the Redken Shades EQ Gloss. And this is in the shade 1B Onyx, and this is a blue black. Now this is not a permanent hair color. It's like a demi-glossing system, and you do need the processing solution in order for this to work. So I ordered these on eBay, and it was roughly about 40 bucks, I want to say. Don't hold me to it because I don't know if prices have went up since I bought it, or depending on who you buy it from. I don't know if there's like shipping and stuff, but mine was roughly about 40 bucks for 2 bottles of this and this. So this is an 8-ounce bottle of processing solution, and these are 2 ounces. So this is great because if you need 2 of these bottles, you could technically get 2 uses out of this. So that's perfect. Or if you only need 1, then like this will last you forever. So anyways, it's super gentle because it's just a glossing system, but it also like adds color to it. So I'm not really familiar with these types of hair colors because I'm a permanent girly. I like using permanent hair color. I like to know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing with that. And with this, I have no idea how long it lasts, all of that. So this is all new to me. But so far, I really, really like how it turned out. I really like basically everything. It was super gentle. It does stain, unfortunately, but it was pretty easy. It just stained my skin pretty bad. I did get a huge blue glob on my face, and it's still there. I tried scrubbing it off. I didn't catch it in time to like wipe it off, and yeah, so it's still stuck there. It'll come off in time, but it just sucks that it's like right on my cheek. What else? There's no horrible scent, and it's okay, so super gentle. It's pretty affordable on eBay. It doesn't smell bad. It smells like grapes. To me, it smells like grapes. It still smells like grapes. It's like a berry, maybe like a mixed berry, but I smell grapes. What else was I gonna say? And there's like no harsh chemical scent or anything. And my head felt great. Like I didn't have any itchiness whatsoever. And like I said, I don't know the wear time. I don't know if it's gonna like last as long as like 4 weeks. That's my goal. And yeah, so we'll see. But it definitely covered up all my whites. All those pesky whites I have are gone. And that is a huge plus. Now, if you have lots of stubborn whites and grays like I do, you have to keep it on for 40 minutes. But if you don't, it says 20 minutes in the instructions, which these didn't come with instructions. I had to actually look it up, like how much to use. It's a 1:1 ratio. So since this is 2 ounces, you need 2 ounces of the processing solution as well. So I used 2 of these, so it's 4 ounces, and I just needed 4 ounces of this. So that's what it means by 1:1, and so on and so forth. So I have enough for like to do my hair again next time. I just have to buy 2 more, and I do plan on doing that because right now my hair is going through it. I am having yet another medical issue where my hair is definitely taking a toll. Like it's starting to do all that stupid breakage stuff again, and I don't want to cut it and chop it off like I had to last time. So right now I'm going down that road of trying out like Arctic Fox and stuff like that, and like oh, what's that other one? There was another one that's like Arctic Fox. Total brain fart. I can't think of it, but there's a few other ones. Manic Panic. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to order a couple of those, and we're going to do some mixology fun things to try and come up with like the perfect blue black. I did get another recommendation that I do have to order, and it's like a direct dye type thing from Goldwell. So I'm going to try that. So I'm going to be trying those ones where I am not putting like a developer on my hair so that I can kind of still color it, but not with the damage, because I don't want any more breakage and I don't want to damage what's already fragile on my head and all that. So anyways, so with this, I was actually pleasantly surprised by how insanely dark it was when I dried it. When I like dried it, I was like, that's such an intense black. Like, I feel like it's darker than like the average black. Maybe it was just me and I felt like maybe my hair was faded a little too much, and then putting this color on, it just looked so dark. But I love it. I see the blue too. Like, I can see the blue in a lot of the lighting, different lightings I have. And I'm sitting in front of my window and I hope you can see it. It's kind of a gloomy, snowy day today, but this is what it looks like. And I'm super happy. I'm super impressed. It definitely covered all my whites and grays, which is phenomenal. How it'll wash and wear, hopefully, I'm hoping 3-4 weeks, because if it does that, then I might replace permanent hair color forever, and I might have found my new go-to best friend. We'll see. It all depends on how long it lasts. Like, look how dark this is. It is so freaking beautiful. I'm so impressed. Like, look at that shine too. It's so shiny and smooth. My hair feels so freaking good. Like, I don't have anything bad to say about this. I know Redken's really, really good with their hair color and hair products. Like, they are on point. They're very pricey, but like, it's really good quality. Like, I've used their shampoos, and I'm using one of their like 5-minute hair masks, and it's an acidic hair bonder, and like, that was pretty pricey as well. I would love to get like the whole hair system, but that's like the shampoo and conditioner, and then like the leave-in conditioner is really, really pricey. So I figured I'd just try one thing at a time. But Redken is pretty good. So I may have found a good brand new favorite. And honestly, the only way it'll determine it's going to be a good favorite is the wash and how long my whites stay hidden. So if it doesn't wash off my whites in the next 2 washes, we'll be good, because that's one reason why I'm afraid of like the direct dyes and the semi-permanent and like demi-permanents and stuff like this, is because with permanent, I know a majority of the brands that are really good lasts a good chunk of time, and they don't wash off. But with the demis and stuff, part of me feels like that's the reason why, is because they're supposed to be temporary, that I feel like it's just gonna like wash off all my whites for like, I might have 2 weeks and then it's gone. But I hope not. I hope that this hair color is worth it, because it's so beautiful. It's so dark. It's so blue. I mean, I wish it was bluer, but you know, whatever. We'll see what the wear time is. And I will let you guys all know on my Instagram page. It's Nina_Gilhousen. If you don't follow me there already, I let you guys know all the good, the bad, the ugly. I don't sugarcoat anything on hair color. Because like I said, I'm like you. I'm a consumer. I need to know these things too. I want to know the price range. I want to know where you got it from. I want to know what the wear time is. I need to know if it covers all my grays. I need to know if it washes out right away, because that stuff means things. Like, if it washes out within 2 washes, it's not worth my money. I need to know if it's going to work and wash and wear. Did that make sense? I need to know all of that. Because I buy it too. Like, I'm trying to find that perfect blue black that's as dark as night, but also is very, very blue. And you can see it all in just natural lighting. Like, that's what I'm looking for. And it's got to be super gentle. And it's got to be something that doesn't smell terrible. Something that's easy on the pockets. Like, I'm a consumer too. Like, I need to know all of that stuff. Does it cover my whites? Is it going to last me 4 weeks? Like, I need to know it all. And I tell you guys from going through my experiences. And I wash my hair once a week. So it at least lasts all that. So yes, I'm going to be done rambling, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Look at this beautiful color. I hope I didn't forget anything. My mind is like scrambled. It's just like everywhere but where I want it. And if you have any recommendations on any of these like direct dyes and stuff, like Manic Panic, Arctic Fox, I bought 2 fun ones that are limited edition off Amazon of Arctic Fox, and I thought those would be fun to try before going into like the ones from Sally's. And yeah, give me your recommendations and I will definitely try them out. I want to try and do these type of colors first before going back into permanent, because I want to save my hair and not have to do a major top like I did back in April. And it's like, I just got my hair to this length and I don't want to have to, because of more breakage because of health problems. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. Like I said, I got a few options to do for my next couple of videos. So yeah, I will see you guys then.